Today we are diving into an incredible adventure visiting the floating villages of Cambodia. And everyone, please, guys, like this video, please, because my every video goes just 1K views and no more because I have 1K views and just 2 likes and 1 likes. And guys, because I'm new, I don't know how I can show you more and more activity and valuable content. I am just making right now adventure stories just for my viewers fun and entertainment. But guys, as you know, I also make stories with education, because I also tell you some words meanings. So my content is nice, but if you like, okay. But right now I am thinking about more because I want to become like MrBeast, guys. So please like this video, please, and subscribe for more if you want, okay. Let's start without wasting your time. But no, as you know, this is my fifth video of today on 4th December 2024, and this is my new adventure story. Just imagine this, okay. Let's learn together and enjoy together. As I arrived, I was struck by the resilience of the people living here. These villages float on the eternal sap lake, adapting to the changing water levels throughout the year. It's a powerful reminder of how we can thrive in any environment if we embrace change and work together. During my visit, I had a chance to meet some amazing locals. They shared stories of their daily lives, fishing, trading, and supporting one another in a close knit community. It made me realize that no matter where you are in the world, human connection is a universal language. But it was not just about the beauty of their lifestyle, it was also about learning from them. The villagers taught me about sustainable fishing practices and the importance of preserving their environment. They showed me that even small actions can lead to big changes, especially when it comes to protecting our planet. This experience was a lesson in gratitude and perspective. In our fast paced lives, we often forget the simple joys of a community and nature. Visiting these floating villages reminded me to appreciate what we have and to be mindful of how our actions impact others. So, if you ever get the chance to explore these incredible floating villages, take it. You will not only witness a breathtaking way of life, but also learn valuable lessons about resilience, sustainability, and community. Let's carry these lessons with us and make a positive impact in our own lives and beyond. Bye for now.